Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick one. We're just going to show you how to install our WJ upper coil retainers. The design of them is so if your suspension unloads and your spring on the upper side comes unseated, there's enough room here where it's not going to fall out, and it helps guide it back up into that upper isolator. We've already got our spring out, so there's a little bit of drilling, and we're going to put a nut insert into the top portion, so we'll show you how to do that. So your kit will come with 2 cones.
You hit 2 cones. Those could have been people. Those could have been guests at her wedding. They were cones.
It'll come with an install tool, which looks like a nut and a bolt, but the nut has no threads. And then the hardware for it be your nut insert, which we're going to bolt in there. And then this is going to squish tight, and that's what's going to be holding your cone in. So first off, we got to drill out the center hole to a 5/8. So we're going to do that first. So we got our 5/8 drill hole, 5/8 hole drilled out. This is our nut insert. So it's a tight fit. So we're going to tap her on in there.
Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Give it a little tappy. Tap, tap, tap-a-roo.
And we're going to take our install tool, which is just a bolt and a nut with no threads. Thread her in there. And you don't want to crank this. You're not trying to like completely smash it. That's not super thick material. So you just want it to be snug where it's not moving, and then give it maybe a little quarter turn. But that's it. So we have our thick 1/4 inch backing washer that's going to sit in the cone like that. Everything looks like that. Like that. So then we'll get our lower isolator on here. We'll get our spring in, and then the spring will sit somewhere in here when it's fully stuffed on the passenger side and fully drooped out on the driver's side. So don't have to worry about losing your springs anymore. Still uses that upper isolator, so we don't have any noise. We're good to go. So we got our spacer in there, bolt washer, nut inserts already tapped in. Good to go. Little pro tip, I think it's easier to throw the isolator on the spring and then drop it on the hat instead of trying to hold the weight of the spring up there and get everything to clip in. Just drops right on. Don't have to worry about losing your springs anymore. We're good to go.